Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are nutritious and delicious root vegetables that are creamy and soft enough to be an ingredient in several pie recipes. Most people think of vegetables as merely a dessert ingredient. However, scientists have found that sweet potatoes are among the best sources of vitamin A. Sweet potatoes are packed with vitamin B5, riboflavin, niacin, thiamine, and carotenoids due to their naturally orange color. The sweet potatoes not only contains many nutrients, but it is also packed with medicinal benefits. Scientists have determined that sweet potatoes contain anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, and anti-cancer properties. The following are some of the health benefits that you can accrue from including sweet potato in our regular diet. 1. Help guard against ulcers. An ulcer occurs when an inflamed tissue is shed from the mucous membrane or from the skin, and it can be quite painful. Studies have shown that the methanol extract from the root of a sweet potato can protect the gastrointestinal tissues from aspirin-induced ulcers. The results of these studies have proved that these sweet potatoes can be used in the treatment and management of peptic ulcers. The flour in the roots of the sweet potato helped in the prevention of ethanol-related ulceration in the stomach in animal models. The flour from the vegetables suppress gastric ulceration by reducing swelling in the surrounding tissues and protecting the gastric wrinkles. The extras from the sweet potatoes have shown that the vegetable has chemicals that can help heal wounds and ulcers in the stomach. Thus, dietary consumption of sweet potatoes can be an effective treatment plan against major types of ulcers, including ethanol and aspirin-induced ulcers. 2. Bones. Vitamin K helps to maintain the calcium on bones and reduces the chances of osteoporosis. The high intake of vitamin K can eliminate bone loss in osteoporosis patients. Vitamin K is essential for using calcium to form bones. Vitamin K enhances the health of bones and lowers the chances of bone fractures in the postmenopausal women. The high intake of vitamin K too helps to reduce the chances of hip fracture by about 65%. Vitamin D and vitamin K works together to enhance the density of bones. Vitamin K has the positive effects on calcium balance. The composition of foods rich in vitamin K by the injured patients help to prevent the sprained ankles and recovers the broken bones. 3. Cardiovascular diseases. Oxidation in the body results in the complications such as atherosclerosis, which in turn can lead to the development of a number of cardiovascular diseases. Leaf extracts from sweet potatoes were tested, and scientists found that the high levels of polyphenols in the leaf extracts were able to suppress oxidation in humans, decreasing the chances of development of cardiovascular disease. Leaves of the vegetable have considerable oxidant properties because of their relatively high of radical scavenging activity, as well as a high amount of polyphenol compounds. The scavenging activity and the high levels of polyphenols contribute to its oxidant properties and help in minimizing the risk of one developing a cardiovascular disease. High levels of anthocyanin in the purple flesh sweet potato contributed to the vegetable's ability to reduce the chances of coronary disease. In addition, sweet potatoes contain soluble dietary fibers, which are linked to reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. The fibers, the anthocyanin, polyphenols, and high radical scavenging activity contained in the sweet potato are all important in the fight against cardiovascular diseases. 4. Improved vision. Various eye diseases and blindness can be due to a deficiency in vitamin A. This is to say that if your diet contains sweet potatoes, that you will have 20 out of 20 vision your whole life. But this root vegetable is packed with several nutrients that are supportive of overall vision and eye health. They also contain carotenoids, alpha-carotene, beta-carotene, and lutein which plays the same role to eye health. For the long term in aging, the vitamin C and A can be effectual in decreasing the oxidative stress, which can lead to cataracts. 5. Beats cholesterol. In a study that examined several varieties of sweet potatoes leaves and their effect on cholesterol, it was found that camotic benefits include better management of LDL cholesterol. The leaves, which high oxidant abilities, were able to prevent the oxidation of LDL or bad cholesterol, which in turn can produce tissue damage. So in essence, sweet potato leaves help to protect the tissues around the arteries.